Welcome to my channel. Apple banana milkshake.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just want.
Let's make delicious and healthy milkshake with banana or apple.
I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity.
First, we peel the banana or apple.
You I surrender. You're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love.
And cut in small pieces.
I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Now we add pistachio walnut raisin. Now we take a grander. Now add banana and apple.
I'll take you on the ride of your life. Don't ever stop.
Pistachio walnut raisin added.
Give me your love, give it some more. I'm losing my sanity. You take me under. For you I surrender.
Add milk.
You're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me.
Grand WEL.
Can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you.
Ready for drink healthy and delicious milkshake.
You let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Pour in jar and drink.
Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Full of healthy ingredients. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.